Hi everyone. Welcome to my gig. This is a sample of receipt which I have created. Type your company name and address. Add your company logo. Type customer name and address. Enter the receipt number and date. Here, you can add details of all the items being sold out. Enter quantity for each item, discount and tax. The form will automatically calculate the final amount of each item after applying the discount and tax. All the amounts are being added and displayed in the subtotal field. You can apply discount and tax on subtotal and get the final price. Click here and add your digital signature. Type your password and then choose Reason for Signature from the drop-down menu. Click the Print Receipt button to take out a print of the receipt. Click here to reset the receipt. Certain fields like the company name, address and logo will not reset, and you don't need to put these information every time you reset your receipt. Another interesting thing is that when you click the reset button, the receipt number will be updated automatically. And you don't need to remember or enter the receipt number every time.